name is Kate. And more Ātaahua Winton School, I'm Loralye. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Ramere, the 30th of July. We start the day with book club news. All orders into the office today, please. Remember that ordering books is also supporting the library. Okay, on to te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is arta-ahua, which is te leo for beautiful, as in ke te atua ahau. I am beautiful. We are beautiful. Okay, most students are doing the right thing and wearing their Hi Viz vests to and from school. Please do likewise. Tomorrow is Ramere, and that means hot chocolate and sausage sizzles. My fave. Get your stamp in the library before school. Kia ora. Techie team news. You have a meeting with Ms Mynes in room 13 at interval. Thank you. And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below. Last news of the day. A big shout out to all the students who sang last night at the Central Schools Music Festival. Winton School sang with 7 other schools, making a combined choir of over 200. Top effort everyone involved. And that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo. Stay clean, stay dry and stay classy, Winton School.